Your challenge to Washington's new income tax will be filed today, and we are expecting to learn more about the lawsuit at the press conference later this morning. Sean Chitness is live with more on what both sides are saying in this debate over the controversial millionaires tax. Good morning, Sean.
Maria, good morning. And we certainly knew that this was going to face multiple challenges as a law and that voters will likely have the final say on this issue. But later this morning, we will get to hear more from the people who are leading this latest effort to try and stop the millionaires tax. Now, that new law does require a 9.9% tax on anyone who has an income of $1 million or more. The tax is set to take effect in 2028 and predicted to generate $3 billion each year. Former Attorney General Rob McKenna, who is leading the lawsuit, says the Constitution is clear and that people have a property right to their own income. Whether income is considered property is at the core of this lawsuit. Some Democrats argue it is not. Governor Ferguson knew this legal fight was coming. The day he signed the millionaires tax, the governor told us how he felt about the pending lawsuit from McKenna and their history together in the courts.
I'm very familiar with Rob McKenna. As AG, he was on the opposite side of many cases we brought, and we've never lost a case when Rob litigated on the other side. So we feel confident that we'll prevail yet again against him in this lawsuit.
As you all know, it isn't the legislature's role or the state Supreme Court's job to rewrite our Constitution to override a decision the voters made and have repeatedly reaffirmed.
Leaders with Citizen Action Defense Fund, which is also part of the lawsuit, have argued that if you tax a property, in this case income, it has to be applied fairly to everyone, and there's a cap of 1%. That group also says a high-profile legal mind has joined their fight, a former Washington State Supreme Court justice who was also a former state senator and served as a Democrat. The governor and supporters of the bill have said this law tries to even the burden of local and state taxes, where currently, Ferguson says, low-income families pay a larger share of their earnings compared to wealthy individuals. And that press conference set to begin at 10 a.m. Live in Seattle, Sean Chitness, Fox 13 News.